Hello everyone, welcome back to English pronunciation with Mr. Habez. In the last lesson, we talked about the short E and the long E sounds. And today, we are going to look at the short I and the long I sounds and how we pronounce them in English. Remember that vowels are very important in English pronunciation. Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. And now, let's get started. Okay, let's start with the short I sounds. Short I makes E, a sound like E. Let's see in these words. Id, kid, in, tin, ing, sing, it, sit, ig, big. I am not a kid. Okay. Tin. The sugar is in the tin. Sing. Hey Mansour, can you sing? You look so sleepy today. Are you sleeping?
No, I am not.
So what do you think?
I think you can sing.
Yes, a little bit. Okay. Sit. For example?
I'm tired. I need to sit down.
Yes. Okay, then have a seat. Big. For example?
I have big hands.
And you have a big head too.
It's not that big.
Okay. Very nice. So here the sounds is short. E, like kid. Sing. Okay? Very nice. Okay, here we have the long I sound. So long I makes I. So it's I. You are going to hear it as I. Okay? Very nice. Let's see how we make it. Of course, as you see here, we have different ways on how we make the long I sound. The first one, I-E. I, consonant, E. So words with I, consonant E make long I sound, like in these two words. Kite, ike, bike. For example,
I have a nice bike.
I have a nice bike. Very nice. Number two, words with IE make long I sound. Like in these two words, the I, die, I, lie. For example,
I hate lying.
so never lie in your life, okay?
Okay.
Very nice. Number three, words with Y make long I sound. For example, fly. So this word is fly, I, cry. What is this? So who is crying?
I think a baby is crying.
Yes, I think so. Okay, very nice. Number 4, words with IGH make long I sound. For example, here we have high, high, yes, and we have right, right. For example, I write with my right hand. Okay, very nice. Number 5, words with IND make long I sound, like in these two words. Find, 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 kind, kind, kind. You are so kind.
You're so kind too, Mr. Habbas.
Thank you so much. And the last one here, we have I. So here, we just need the letter I to make the long I sound. How? When the letter I comes at the beginning, or let's say in the first syllable of a word. Let's see in these two words, idea, idea, final, final. So look at the letter I here, it's in the first syllable, so it's idea. This one is final. Okay, very nice. So I have just finished the short I sound and the long I sounds, yes, for today. In the next video we will be talking about the short O sound and the long O sound. Okay, I hope this video was useful for everyone, and if you guys enjoyed this pronunciation lesson, please come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Habbas. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.